Hey guys, so I figured that the most appropriate way to address all of you, since I'm vlogging now, is to do it in a video. One of the first things that I'm going to start doing is compiling a bunch of videos of people doing weird things to Skrillex. Now, the whole point of the video is basically that what we're doing is we're taking weird, like they'll look weird, but normal things that people do to Skrillex, like for example, read a book, drinking orange juice, getting ready in the morning. And then just amp up the crazy, amp up the wacko-ness, like get into your weird inner electro nutball. Film it, or have someone film it, because if you're spazzing out, you're probably not gonna look very good on camera. Film it, and send it to fliptwix@gmail.com. So it's FLIPTWIX @gmail.com. And I will take your clips if you want. I will send me your name too, so I know who you are, obviously. If it's not in your email, I'll put you in the credits, acknowledge you, thank you, and you'll be part of a smash hit, wonderful YouTube sensation with unicorns and ponies and fairy girls and all that stuff. So if you're interested, email me, and let's get some Skrillex on. Thanks, guys.